Welcome back everyone. I'm your fitness coach for today, Jason. After follow the field video in front, I believe that you're getting stronger and getting better. Today, I will lead for the 5-minute workout. As usual, it will be a 45-second workout and a 50-second rest. Now, the 5 workout for today, for the 5-minute workout, they will be easily going to let you sweat a lot. Even if it's just a 5 minutes, it will definitely build your muscle. The first workout, we call them as arm cross side lunges. So you have to open your hand wide. When you go to your side lunges, cross your arm. And you come back to the center position, change side. Open up again, cross your arm. Come back center, change side. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, we call them as scissors skill. Scissors skill, then you have to do a scissors run, just like a normal scissors run, but you have to swing your hand as well, which is this one. This is what we call them as scissors skill. And the third one, then we're going to have a donkey kick. Donkey kick will be definitely, you have to this position, and you kick your leg up, both sides. This is a good training for your glute muscle. And the fourth workout will be V-up. V-up in a sitting position, touch your toe, up and touch it. This is what we call them as V-up. And then the last workout, we call them as plank with shoulder tap. In a high plank position, and you're going to tap your shoulder. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Take turn. This is the 5 workout that we are going to go for today. Are you ready, everyone? If you're ready, we're going to start a workout very soon. We will start our first workout. We call them as cross arm side lunges. Are you ready? Every workout 45 seconds and we have a 15-second rest. Okay? Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Cross your arm. Center position, cross your arm. Center position, cross your arm. So just keep moving non-stop. This is just a 45-second workout, and this is a very good workout for your leg muscle, for your thigh muscle, and you feel stronger and better. Keep going, guys. Keep moving. Come on. You got another 15 seconds left. 15 seconds, 1-5. Then you can get some rest. Come on, guys. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. After that, we're going for our scissors skill. Scissors skill. Stand by in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Your scissors run, remember to swing your arm out. If you feel tired, you can run for 5 times and then you get your rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest for a while and continue. Remember, it's just a 45-second workout. 20 seconds pass. Keep going, guys. You just need a 45-second workout and then you deserve a 15-second rest. Okay, let's see. Count of 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. How do you feel? Good? Never mind, keep it up. Next one, donkey kick. Okay, stand by position in 3, 2, 1, go. Alternately, after your right, go to your left. Try to kick as high as you can. Feel your glute muscle. Come on, everyone. Just keep on kicking. Keep going. This is a good workout for your glute muscle. Never give up. 20 seconds pass. Come on, guys. Go for more reps. Come on. Keep going. Go for the correct positions. In 15 seconds more. 1-5. 15 seconds more. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Next one, V-up for your abs muscle. It's a good training for abs. Stand by in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Touch your toe. Down, touch your toe. Come on, guys. I just need a 45-second workout. Just keep it up. Don't let yourself rest. Keep going. Keep moving. You still have 25 seconds for this workout. Come on. Just keep going. You can do it, guys. This is a fourth workout, and you still got last more workout. Last workout. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Whew. That's a great workout. Abs is burning. Okay, next one. The last one. Plank lift, shoulder tap in 3, 2, 1. Go. Tap your shoulder. High plank position. Tap your shoulder. Hand must be straight and alternate. Your right hand tap your left shoulder. Left hand tap your right shoulder. Just keep tapping, keep moving non-stop. Remember, hand must be straight, always in your high plank position. 20 seconds left, guys. 20 seconds. Almost there, guys. Almost finished. Almost done. Just keep going, keep moving. Okay, stand by in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Workout complete. See, even in 5 minutes, you will sweat a lot, and you burn a lot of fat. So, which means that no matter how busy you are, you just need to have a 5 minutes workout every day. Just follow us in MitoSex, just follow us in LGRA. Definitely, you will build your fitness. Definitely, you will build your muscle strength. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for following the 5-minute workout. This 5-minute workout is very good and effective. As long as you have to do your daily workout, definitely you will get better and you have a healthier body. Besides workout, your nutrition is very important. I always have MitoSex before and after my workout. MitoSex will help me provide my energy and help me recover faster for my next day activities, for my next day workout. MitoSex is always the best choice for me and definitely tastes good. See you again, guys.